and welcome to today's class. Very common topic, that is Poke-Yoke. Yokeru to avoid and Poka inadvertent errors. That means to avoid inadvertent errors. A Poke-Yoke device is one that prevents incorrect parts from being made or assembled or easily identified a flaw or error, or mistake proofing, a means of providing a visual or other signal to indicate a characteristic state. Example of a plug. As we can see in the first picture located on the top, that the plug would not fit into its requisite holes, but in the second case the plug would be able to easily fit into the holes. So when a person tries to fit into the first hole, the portion that is fat would not be able to fit in, and he will be able to see that the thin portion is also not made for this particular plug, which would not be the case in the next case. Consider another example, this time from the industry. Consider you are working for a printing industry and you want to change the cartridge. Here, you would be able to easily identify which slot to put in the cartridge into, because you would see that the requisite cartridge slot is already color coded with the cartridge which you are inserting. So in this case, even if you want to make a mistake, you would not be able to make, because the cartridge and the hole which it fits into are color coded. What we saw from the example is that a good Poke-Yoke device, regardless of their implementation, share some common characteristics. They are simple and cheap. If they are too complicated or expensive, their use will not be cost effective. Like, consider the example here. Color coding the cartridge would not cost much, but it can save a lot of costs, because when there would be a different cartridge inserted, it can create a lot of mess. Second is that they are placed close to where the mistakes occur, providing quick feedback to the workers so that the mistakes can be corrected. Consider the case again of the printing cartridge. If I insert a wrong cartridge, then I will be able to easily identify that yes, I have put a wrong color cartridge in the wrong slot. So it would be pretty easy to identify the mistake and solve it. With this, we come to an end to today's class. I hope after watching this video, you will not be able to commit any mistake in future regarding Poke-Yoke.